Hello friends, welcome back to the Kiddofun World channel. Today we will learn the names of animals according to the alphabet. Try to guess what animal will appear next. OK, let's go. Let's start with the letter A. A. What animal starts with the letter A and is known for living in colonies? Ant. Next quiz, letter B. B. What large furry animal starts with the letter B? Bear. Next quiz, letter C. C. What small domesticated animal starts with C and says meow? Cat.
Next quiz letter D.
D. What loyal pet starts with D and says woof?
Dog. Next quiz letter A. E. What giant animal with a trunk starts with E? Elephant. Next quiz letter F. What clever wild animal with a bushy tail starts with F? Fox. Next quiz letter G. G. What tall animal with a long neck starts with G? Giraffe. Next quiz letter H. H. What strong farm animal starts with H? horse. Next quiz letter I. What reptile starting with I is often green and climbs trees? Iguana. Next quiz letter J. J. What spotted wild cat starts with J? Jaguar. Next quiz letter K. K. What jumping Australian animal starts with K? Kangaroo. Next quiz letter L. L. What big wild cat known as the King of the Jungle starts with L? Lion.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock
Next
struck
quiz
one.
letter M.
The mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock,
M.
tick-tock,
What playful
tick-tock.
primate starts with M?
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock,
Monkey.
tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Next quiz letter N. N. What singing bird starting with N is called burung bulbul in Indonesian?
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Nightingale.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her house.
Next quiz letter O.
Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
O. What nocturnal bird starts with O?
Hickory-dickory-dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, fiddle-sticks. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock,
Owl.
tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock.
Next quiz letter P. P. What black and white bird that lives in cold places starts with P? penguin. Next, quiz letter Q. Q. What small bird starting with Q is known as burung puyuh? Quail. Next, quiz letter R. R. What small fluffy animal with long ears starts with R? Rabbit. Next, quiz letter S. S. What long slithering reptile starts with S? Snake. Next, quiz letter T. T. What striped wildcat starts with T? Tiger. Next, quiz letter U. U. What ocean fish starting with U is known as the unicorn fish? Unicorn fish. Next, quiz letter V. V. What large scavenger bird starts with V? Vulture. Next, quiz letter W. W. What wild canine starts with W? Wolf. Next, quiz letter X. X. What fish starting with X can be seen almost transparent? X-ray fish. Next quiz letter Y. E. What long-haired animal from the mountains starts with Y? Yuck! Next quiz letter Z. Z. What black and white striped animal starts with Z?